I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the box to clear transient faults. Unplug the box from the wall and remove HDMI and Ethernet now. This forces a full hardware reset. Wait 30 seconds, long enough for capacitors to discharge. While you wait, check the LED pattern so you know normal versus abnormal behavior. Once done, reconnect only power first and watch the boot LED. This quick power cycle often restores service by resetting internal modules and clearing stuck processes. After power is stable, re-establish network connectivity because many failures are network dependent. Plug Ethernet back in or reconnect Wi-Fi, verify router link lights and signal strength. Navigate to Settings, then System to perform a cache clear or soft reboot. This removes corrupt temporary files that block services. If the box prompts for firmware, apply updates. Updates often fix known bugs. Make a note of any displayed error codes or messages so you can reference them if the issue persists. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort because it restores default software and settings. Backup preferences first. Try the box on a different TV and power outlet to rule out HDMI or mains issues. Once the box boots, reconfigure network and check channels. If you still see errors, contact support and provide the LED pattern, error codes, and every step you've tried. This saves time. One key tip: a different Ethernet cable or a temporary mobile hotspot test quickly isolates network versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.